Can eye exercises really help recover retinal dystrophy? Let's get one thing straight. You can recover from retinal dystrophy naturally with some exercises by recovering blood flow to your eyes and renewing retinal cells. The eye-opening fact we share at the end of the video, so stay tuned. What is retinal dystrophy? Let's clarify what retinal dystrophy is. Retinal dystrophy is malfunction of the retinal cells in your eyes. Think of it like a bad Wi-Fi connection. Your retinal cells are just not communicating properly and getting grainy images. Activate those retinal nerve cells, like a workout for your eyes. So how do we fix this? Well, first we need to activate those retinal cells and recover them with a new one. It's like telling your eyes, hey, wake up, time to party. And how do we do that? Sunshine. The sun isn't just getting a tan, it's like ultimate eye energy drink. Sunshine, please. I need some vitamin D to wake up these retinal cells up. Imagine your eyes chilling in the sun, sipping tiny drinks with the little umbrellas. Ah, the good stuff. Blood flow, the life of eye health, literally. Now we need to talk about blood flow. You want your blood flow pumping to your eyes like they just hit the gym for a cardio session. Come on, blood. Let's go. We got nerve cells to energize, making sure every nerve cell getting all those proteins to recover. We want quality here. Eye exercises, the new hot trend. Move your eyes. Here comes the eye workout. You're sitting at your desk and instead of scrolling through memes, you're doing some serious eye muscle stretches. Look left, look right, blink twice. Now we are talking. A little sunshine and eye workouts, the dream team. So to recover from retinal dystrophy, all you really need is a little sunshine and some eye exercises. It's like the dream team of eye health. Who knew that sunning could be a part of the recovery plan? It's like telling your eyes you are going to the beach and we are going to get your retinal cells in shape. You can almost hear them cheering. Woohoo! Let's get fit. Your eyes deserve all the love. In conclusion, if you battle in retinal dystrophy, remember you can recover naturally with some simple exercises and a splash of sunshine. Your eyes are also workout bodies. Treat them well and they will reward you with clearer vision. Just imagine the eye workout videos we could make. Eye strain from screens. Eyesight Academy online program has eye workouts to improve your eye health naturally.